In this video, how to fix this error when creating a service account key in a Google Cloud project. By default, it's disabled by Google. To fix this, wait to allow service account key creation for the project. First, sign in to the Google Cloud Console. From the project picker, click the three dots at the top right corner, then select IAM permissions. Alternatively, from the project picker, select the root organization and then choose IAM from the left navigation bar. Click the Grant Access button. A Grant Access to Your Domain.com dialog will appear from the right. Enter your email address in the Add Principals, New Principals text box. In the Assigned Roles, select the Role field. Search for Organization Policy Administrator. And select it as the assigned role. Once done, click Save. Next, you can allow service account key creation for all projects in your organization, but for security purposes, I recommend disable it at organization level and enabling it for individual projects only. To do this, from the project picker, select your project. Use the filter field to search for the organization policy and select the corresponding constraint from the results. Edit the policy and select Override Parents Policy. Click Add a Rule and set enforcement to Off. Finally, click Set Policy. Now, return to the service account generator and try creating a service account key again. The change may need some time to propagate. If it continues to fail, please wait a few minutes and try again. As you can see, we can now create a key for authentication. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.